John in Dallas. What's up, John?
Hey, guys. Hey, I played that back on my computer, and it gives you an answer. It's Hammer's wife queefing.
Yeah. That we dumped.
That we dumped, but it was funny.
Play that sound one more time, Casey.
No, I don't think that's it.
Close. But not quite. Oh, I hope Allie's listening right now.
Joe, Talmadge. Joe, what's your guess?
Is it the J10 train on Steph Fontana?
That guy waited an hour and... How long, Cassandra?
And
How
he
long?
was there forever. Over an hour.
Hour and
to
40.
make a reference
to Matt's
girlfriend.
Hour and 40 minutes.
I'm not sure I even understood it. Speaking of Matt, he's lost weight.